you struggle with what to say on social media, I'm excited to share with you how ChatGPT can help you boost your cosmetic practice like you would not believe it. ChatGPT is almost like having your very own personal digital marketer in your back pocket that is going to help you with most online marketing related needs. Now, I do want to start by saying that it is not going to replace an actual human or an agency or a coach or a strategist or any of the above. But I will tell you that ChatGPT is a very handy tool, and I'm going to also show you an example on how I actually use it for my clients in the service professional industry. So I'm Cherie, and whether you are responding to a patient review, you're trying to create some marketing materials for an event, or maybe you need help writing an Instagram caption, I'm going to share this tool with you and show you exactly how ChatGPT can work to help you see real results with your social media marketing and help you 10x your cosmetic practice. Let's get into the video. That is always the hardest part for me. It is the intro. Every single time I record it like 10 times. So the very first way that this tool is going to help you 10x your cosmetic practice is by improving your online customer service. ChatGPT is a tool that is designed to help you deliver quicker and friendlier response times that eliminate unnecessary waiting. I just made a TikTok video about my experience when I used to work in a medical office, and I remember we would get these negative patient reviews and everybody in the office would freak out because nobody knew what to say or how to respond to the review, or maybe, you know, how to even put out the fire in, you know, through words, so to say. So the reviews would just sit, and, you know, obviously that added more fuel to the fire because it would make the patient upset. They're already upset about whatever scenario happened in the office, which caused them to leave the review. So the last thing you should do as a practice is stall when it comes to your response. So ChatGPT has made it easy to deliver those friendly responses, even to the negative patient reviews, because yes, with the good, there comes bad. You're going to get them both. Now let's get into number 2. You oftentimes hear that in order to succeed on social media, you need to create a mixture of entertaining content and educational content. And with my experience, I've noticed that most businesses, they have the entertaining part down packed, that it's so super easy and super simple to create the entertaining content. But sometimes when it comes to creating educational content, that may not always be so easy. So I'll give you a perfect example on how I use the tool ChatGPT to create a video script for my client so we could actually produce some educational content on her social media channels. Basically, what I did was I went into the system and I typed in all of the details. Okay, they wanted to promote a specific in-house financing program that they had available called Cherry Payments. With Cherry Payments, there were a few, you know, keywords that we wanted to hit on. So I typed up like a very vague script in ChatGPT. Again, just highlighting all of the topics and everything that we wanted to pinpoint within this video script. So once I typed that up, ChatGPT gave me back a whole script. Okay, I was able to take the script and I printed these scripts out, which I do this quite often, and hand them out throughout the office, and then everybody can kind of just pick one. And I always say, you don't have to recite this as you see it on the paper. I want you to add your personality to it, and then I also want you to feel comfortable. So if that means you need to switch up some words, maybe you don't say hey y'all, you say hey you know, do that. And that is something that I highly recommend when it comes to using these AI tools, because again, you don't want it to sound like a robot, you know, and people know, like maybe you were on video, you had your esthetician on video last week and she was, you know, she was more down to earth, she was friendly, she was having fun, and then now you put her in front of a video script and she's like, That's why I always say, make it fun, show your personality, it's okay. And you know, if it's not perfect, that is okay too. I'm not sure if you guys recognize this, but we are slowly shifting away from this world of overproduced content. So number 3, ChatGPT is going to work by helping you increase your overall engagement on social media. And you're probably wondering how does that work? Well, it's because of the flexibility in the innovative tool. You can go inside the tool and you can ask it to write a caption that has a strong call to action at the end, and write a fun, engaging caption that asks a question to my followers at the end. And y'all, you will be so super surprised. The tool will give you the whole caption, it will give you hashtags, and it will also give you a question that you can take and you can put out there. Maybe you don't know how to get engagement. You don't know how to get people in your comments. You don't know how to get them to respond to your videos or send you DMs. The tool will help you generate questions so you can ask your audience or put them on your story polls, or, get very creative. And over time, what happens is, slowly but surely, you'll start to see people trickle in the comment section, again, increasing your social media engagement and also attracting new patients to your office. And I also think it's important to include this when it comes to increasing engagement on social media, because a lot of clients that I work with, they just don't really get it. They don't understand why it's important. And it's important because potential patients like to see that you are engaging with your followers on social media, because at the end of the day, people want to feel like they are a part of something bigger. Even if it's just your social media strategy, your online presence, still to you it may be a small thing, but for your potential patients and existing patients, it's not a small thing to them. It really makes them feel seen and feel heard, and again, it makes them feel like they're a part of something bigger than whatever minor thing that's going on in their lives. Number 4, ChatGPT is going to help you drive more traffic to your website. At the end of the day, all of the content that you put out online, the goal and the objective is to increase conversions. Now, conversions look different for everybody, but for most clients that I work with, conversions can be new patient phone calls, conversions could be website clicks, but really the goal should be to send everyone back to your website, whether they're booking an appointment or if they just want to learn more about your treatments, your services, your products, and so on. So you have to ask yourself, are you creating boring content? Does your content look like every other service provider in your industry? Are you creating enticing content? Are you creating click-worthy content? Content that entices people to leave off of the social media platform and go back to your website. Content that entices the readers of your email newsletters to want to go back to your website. You have to think about that and ask yourself, are you creating the right type of content to drive conversions, to attract new patients? And most practices are not. So if you do struggle with this and you want to know what types of content you should post to attract new clients, while you wait for the next video, I want you to check this video out, because in this video I tell you the 3 types of content that you should be creating to attract new clients into your practice. So if you found this video helpful, like and comment, subscribe if you care, and I will see y'all in this video. See you later. Bye-bye.